GE Monogram Dryer Repair Authorized Service in Los Angeles is a premier appliance repair service company, employing only factory-trained GE Monogram Dryer repair technicians. Our technicians are trained in GE Monogram Dryer repair and GE Monogram Dryer service, as well as repairing GE Monogram dishwashers, GE Monogram refrigerators, GE Monogram commercial and residential dryers, GE Monogram stackable washer and dryers, and much more. We have technicians standing by in Los Angeles and the surrounding areas such as Beverly Hills, Santa Monica, Orange County, San Fernando Valley, Malibu, Oxnard, Sherman Oaks, Brentwood, West Los Angeles, Pasadena, and Burbank. Call us today at 877-309-7770. One of our friendly operators would be glad to assist you in setting up an appointment.